Hi, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, James Adesina. And in this video, I'm going to be uh, teaching you on uh, making major profits from Swagbucks. The other time I did a video on how you can make money from Swagbucks, and that is by doing some certain tests on Swagbucks. But in this video, I am going to be I'm going to take you through the process of making major profit. And to make major profit, if you are watching this video from Nigeria or some part of Africa, you will have some limitations getting jobs, okay, on Swagbucks because of your location. You will have some limitations maximizing profit, making profit when you are doing survey via Swagbucks website. So, however, I have been able to highlight those steps that you are going to be taking. First, you need to buy virtual cards online because you need this virtual card to make some payments, to make payment for some certain tools that you will need to maximize profit from Swagbucks. I'm talking about that. If you go to swagbucks.com, you can see right there they've paid almost $800 million. This is big, $800 million, and the figure, the number is still increasing. So, which means that people are actually making up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 a month from Swagbucks, working from the comfort of their homes. So, and you too can also make money. But right here, I'm in Nigeria, and for those people that are in Nigeria, for those that are also in some part of African countries, you will definitely have some limitations. So, but how do you get to make money and you are not limited to some certain text, to certain things that you can do on the Swagbucks? It's simply first to buy a virtual card online, and I'm going to be recommending that you go for cheaper cash to do that. And this is the referral link that you should use. Okay, just type this referral link, because if you do that, you are going to earn money. I am also going to earn some money when you use my referral link, to join cheaper cash. Okay, very easy. You make money extra, also make money when you use my referral link. You can also check at the description of this video to also get to copy the referral link for cheaper. So you need cheaper account for you to achieve this, to get your fourth virtual card. Then after purchasing your cheaper card, then you can now move straight into changing of your IP. Now I'm going to also drop the link, or let me just say, you can just go to, you're going to be using this particular software, Windscribe, to change your IP address. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, or you are in Ghana, for example, or you are in Kenya, for example, and you want to change your IP, your location to UK, you want to change your location to US, you want to change your location to Canada, so that you can maximize profit, then you will need to subscribe. And with, I think, around $15, as the case may be, around $7 to $10, you should be able to buy a VPN from Windscreen that you can use to change your location. Now, the next thing you also need to do is buying a foreign address. And to do this, you need to go to this website, iconoffices.co.uk. This is tested and working. Now, from this website, you can buy virtual offices in UK, some part of UK. You can also, from this website, buy your virtual mobile phone number, okay, because you need this for verification purposes. And it is so easy for you to get started. They have a very good support. If you have any question, you can chat them up directly and you are good to go. Okay, so that is all that. So once you have all of this, then you are good to go to register in Swagbucks. So under this video, I'm going to be dropping my referral link for you to register in Swagbucks. So take for example, if in a day you get survey jobs of that's going to pay you $1. If you change your IP, you are going to be getting surveys or survey offers that will pay you up to $10 or more, as the case may be. So thank you so much for watching this video. So do like and comment if you have questions, and share this video with your friends, and also ensure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye for now.